Hi there, my name is Wali Olaiwola. You are welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I am excited to have you here. If you are coming for the first time or you've been here before and you've been supporting me, shout out to you. Thank you. In this video, I want to show you how you can make your first $100 or your next $100, affiliate commission with Getresponse. So I wouldn't lie to you, this requires some work from you, but I can guarantee that you're going to get the results just like me. I'm going to leave, a screenshot of my results here or here, right? I've done this and I've earned the money. So I'm not talking theory with you, I'm talking practical. So if you've never earned money online, you can do this and you can get the results just like me. Now, moving forward, I want you to support me by liking this video because it will tell YouTube that it's a beneficial video, especially if you have gained value after watching the video or as you progress, watching the video. So I also want you to go down, and comment down below, get response affiliate. So I'm going to show you step by step what I need to, what you need to do now to earn the money. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So the first thing is, what is Getresponse affiliate program? Getresponse is an email. It used to be an email marketing program, an email marketing platform only, an autoresponder, an email autoresponder. You go to Getresponse. You want to follow up with your lead, with your customers via email. Getresponse is one of your go-to tools to do that. So you can send email anytime. You can follow up with your audience, so you can set up an email that gets sent to them automatically and a lot more. So one of the first important things for you to do if you want to earn money with this affiliate or any affiliate program is for you to first learn a lot. Go and educate yourself about the program you want to sell to people, you want to promote, right? So because you are not actually selling the program itself, you are selling the value to people. So, and if you want them to buy, so you would want to educate them on what the program is and how it can benefit them. So you'll be selling the value of that offer you are selling, not the offer itself. So if you don't know what Getresponse affiliate, or sorry, what Getresponse is, how are you going to be able to sell it to people? How will you be able to sell the value to people? So you should first learn about Getresponse, what it does, how it can help people's life, who are those that need the service, and then it will be easier for you to sell it. Now, Getresponse has become more beautiful because aside email marketing, so it also has a lot of more marketing tools now. You can create a website with Getresponse now. You can create landing pages. You can create, a funnel. We call Getresponse funnel, sales funnel. We call it auto funnel. You can do a lot more with Getresponse. So, and once you are able to follow up with your clients, with your audience, you can sell to them, and lots more. So, and Getresponse is an international, company. So they have been in existence since 1998, and as a result, so you be throwing your weight behind the company that has the reputation, right? So that is what Getresponse affiliate program is. So the affiliate program is, although they are doing their own marketing themselves, they also want you to help them do their marketing. So, and they will be sharing the commission with you, like, okay, help us bring customer, and they will give you a commission, for bringing the customer. Now, they have two type of affiliate program. The first type of affiliate program is self-hosted affiliate program, meaning that once a client that you bring sign up with Getresponse, so Getresponse would it will be giving you the revenue they generate from that customer for life. As long as the customer keeps renewing their billing information, Getresponse will be giving you the money. So we have moved to how much you can earn. So that is one. So if someone signs up through you, so of course you would have a link that is peculiar to you so that they can use to track your sales. So if anybody signs up with your link, so Getresponse can be paying you every month 30% of how much the person pays them every month. So that is one. The second one is you can get paid once. So if someone comes through you and then they sign up to Getresponse, and start using their marketing tools and start paying them, So after 2 months that this person has paid, and GetResponse has already determined that this customer is a legit customer. Like, people might lie about it and just use a crooked way to get response to pay them. So once get response leave some time to see that, okay, this person is genuine, this customer is genuine, they are going to be paying you, they are going to pay you that $100 one time commission. So these are the two types of affiliate programs that GetResponse has. So they run an in-house affiliate program whereby you can sign up with them, and they also have a program with commission junction. So you can go and sign up with commission junction to promote GetResponse. So how can you join? So let us just go to if you go to get you just go to your Google and search GetResponse affiliate program. Affiliate, they call it GetResponse affiliate bounty program. So you want to sign up, so you just click on this first link, sign up link. So right, so this is their, so I'm already an affiliate with them, so there's no need for me to to sign up with them again. So just put in your first name, then you put in your last name, right, your email address, which is you are going to be using this to log in. Then you put in your password. So if you are using Chrome, you can suggest strong password. So then country of residence, you are going to put your country here, so then your phone number, then your website if you have a website. So which takes us to the important factor that most affiliate programs, if you want to succeed online, you should think of creating a real business. And one of the ways for you to create a real business is for you to have a website, create a blog for yourself, buy a web host, sorry, buy a domain name and host it with any of the hosting companies out there, and create your own website. Because most of the affiliate programs that I know, several of them, they want you to, you can do a lot with your website. You can promote affiliate programs and earn commission. You can apply for Google AdSense and get accepted and monetize your traffic, your website traffic. You can host your own courses on your website. You can host your own landing pages and sales pages and sell a lot more on your website. So there's so many things you can do with a website. So if you don't know how to create a website, I'm going to leave a link down below in the comment section that you can use to create your own website for free. So all you have to do is just to buy your hosting and your domain name. It's just like someone saying, I want to show you how to build your own house. Definitely, I'm not going to be buying you your blog. I'm not going to be buying your cement. You are going to buy these things. I'm not going to give you a land, right? So you are going to buy all the necessary resources, your land, so your blog, your ties, your cement, your sand and all that, and then you get the blueprint on how to build your house. So this is how this is all about. So moving forward, so they will ask you, tell us how you want to promote GetResponse. Now, this is very, very important for you to listen. Email marketing to your list. If you have a list, most of the time they will want to know, okay, how do you want to promote it? So one of the cool way for you to promote this is through your list, saying that you want to promote your list. Also, an article on your website is one of the very important things that you can do. So you can write an article if you have a website, for instance, and post the article on your website, so that, and then the GetResponse affiliate link would be there, so that if anybody reads that article and then they get educated, they can sign up and you can get the commission. Display banners, video marketing, especially for people who are doing YouTube videos, video marketing, consulting clients. So this is actually one of the smart ways for you to make money. You have clients, so who want you to help them create a this thing. They want you to help them create an email marketing system. So you just tell them that you just recommend GetResponse to them, send them your link and let them sign up, and then you make the money. So you can also promote on social media, but you have to know what you're doing. You have to educate them. If people cannot buy what they don't understand, so then you click on I'm not a robot. So then you create your account. After creating your account, you'll be able to log in, you'll be able to log into um as you can see, I'm about to log in. I've just right click here and then open in a new tab, and then you'll be able to log in from right here. So I'm going to pause it right now and log into my this thing. So and then let's see how it goes. So I've logged in. Once you log in, you will see your affiliate link right here. So and then you can copy this link and you can start promoting the link. So one of the things you can do is to actually cloak this link. Go to bit.ly, hide this link inside that, so that it will look perfect. It will look, more clean, and it will look attractive, sir. So you know what I mean now. So um so to show you that I've actually earned money from this, so this is my earnings. You just go to statistics, so I come to earnings. So as you can see, so I've like actually earned this money and I've received it via PayPal. So I tried it once and it worked, but I have other things that I'm doing, but I only want to be able to show you that this thing works and you too can make money from it. So now, once you are inside, these are your promotional material. You'll be able to monitor your campaign. So the number of people that sign up, the people that visit the link, the visitors, the sales you made, and all that. The number of free accounts. So you can have all of that under affiliate links and campaign. Referred accounts, whatever accounts that you have referred, this is where you see it. So this is where you see all those. So then these are the tools you can use to promote. So you come to banners, you can see a lot of other stuff that you can use to promote. So you can use email ads. They have already you know write all this thing for you, list building program. So if you read this, so you don't have to be a copywriter already so to be able to promote, because they have all the marketing materials for you. So all you have to do is just to copy them and use them. Use your affiliate link. You just change this and put your own. So it's as easy as that. So if you want to promote it as a pro package, you can use this one. So if you want to promote it as lead generation, you can use this one. All of this. So all these are what you can use to promote it. You can also use text ads, right? So these are text ads that you can use. So just explore your account, your affiliate dashboard, and see what you can use. So please do not send me a personal message on this. So if you have any question, send it down below in the comment section below, so that I will know that you actually watch this and you're watching it from YouTube, and I'll be happy to respond to all of your questions down below. So do not send me a DM on WhatsApp or anywhere else. So we are releasing this video on YouTube to benefit you. So if you have any question on it, just go down below and comment down below. I want you to be successful. So, and you also want me to be successful. And one of the ways for you to support me is actually to, watch the video on YouTube, like, subscribe, whatever question, engagement you want to do. So drop it down in the comment section below and I'll watch it. Not like those people that will download your video and then they will watch it on their phone or whatever it is, wherever it is they want to watch it. I also use my data and lots more to make the video, to upload it and all that. So do not attempt to say you want to save your data and then you want to download it and then you want to watch it and then you want to bombard me with questions or WhatsApp. Please do not do that, please. So watch the video, act on it, and then you get the result. So moving forward, without further ado, how much can you earn? I've already explained that. How can you join it? I've also shown you that. Now, how can you market it? This is very, very important. So far, if you have been enjoying the video, if you have been learning one or two things, please, I want you to leave a thumbs up under the video. So let's trigger the algorithm together. Thank you for your support. So moving forward, you can answer questions on Quora. So Quora is actually a place where you can have a lot and lot of traffic for free. So all you have to do is just to go to sign up on Quora, use your email and your name and your password, sign up, and after signing up, search it where people are asking questions related to email marketing and stuff. So and then you answer questions there. Because you already have product knowledge about GetResponse, it will be easier for you to answer questions in Quora, and then you answer a lot of questions, like 10 to 15 questions per day, right? So it will be worth it in the end, I can assure you that. Because if at the end of the month you are able to make, let's say, 15 sales or 10 sales or 20 sales, you know how much that is. A simple 10 sales is going to make you $1,000, so it's going to be worth it. So nothing actually comes for free. You have to put in the work and you get the result. So you answer questions on Quora. There are stuff that you need to do in order to answer the questions beautifully on Quora. First, you answer the question with facts, right? So you don't bring the fact from the top of your head. You answer them with fact. Second, you use image. Third, you use image, so relevant image that would help buttress your point. Fourth, you use bullet points to drive your point home all the more. And lastly, you are going to put in your email, your link, your affiliate link in that answer. So anybody that reads your answer, they will get the value, and then they would be willing to sign up with the link, your affiliate link that you put there. Okay, so also you can go to your Facebook profile or any other place. So with the knowledge you already have on email marketing with GetResponse, you make a call that you want to teach people for free how to start up their email marketing system. So you teach them everything you know, and then you encourage them to sign up with your affiliate link. So that is how to make some more sales. And then lastly, you pitch clients. So you can pitch people, people that, especially digital creators. You can pitch, business owners that want to be able to follow up with their audience. So you can pitch them, go to Facebook. You can see groups where business owners are. You can go to Twitter. So just use hashtag and you see business owners, people that have businesses. So you can go to software groups with software, so email marketing software groups and all that. So and then you pitch these people. So you can also find it on Google. Where can I find business owners that are in need of email marketing? So once Google gives you that information, you follow up with these people. You encourage them that you'll be happy to create their marketing funnel for free, and then you help them use GetResponse. These guys can afford the 7,500 naira or the $15 that GetResponse charges per month. So you just help them do this. So as you do it for them, so they can afford to pay it every month, and then you'll be getting the sale. So the possibility, guys, is actually endless. So all you need to do is just to make the determination that you actually want to do this. You learn this as much as you can, start implementing stuff that I've shown you, and I'll see you in another video. So if you have gained a value, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you in another video.